Some people are starting over quietly. No explanations, no announcements, simply just trying to feel like themselves again. I can admit, I'm one of them. Through all the adversity I've experienced in my life, I am finally giving myself permission to start over again. Being that I've been the strong one has came with lots of exhaustion. And finally, I am stepping into my season of fully taking care of me. You don't need to rush in this season. You can rebuild slowly without any explanation. Remember, it is not a race, it's a marathon. So while you're at your own pace, also know that you are not alone.